Body parts in Tagalog. Part 5. Hita. Tuhod. Binti. Bukong-bukong. Sakong. Paa. Daliri sa paa. Repeat after me. Hita. Tuhod. Binti. Bukong-bukong. Sakong. Paa. Daliri sa paa. Great job! Now let's use these words in simple sentences. Repeat after me. Ito ang paa ko. Ito ang tuhod ko. Ito ang binti ko. Ito ang sakong ko. Can you remember these words? Tuhod. Binti. Paa. Bukong-bukong. If some words feel hard to remember, that's okay. Practice them repeatedly and point to each body part as you say the word. You can always come back to this video whenever you need a review. And that's it for today. Now you know some leg and foot body parts in Tagalog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next. And if you want to learn more simple Tagalog, check out my other lessons too. Salamat, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.